Smart Lock Networking Tutorial. Model F17. Step 1. Download the Tuya Smart app. Search for Tuya Smart in the App Store. Click to download. If you have already downloaded it, open it directly. Step 2. Log in and create a family. If you have not registered before, register an account first. If you have registered before, you can log in with your account and password. Click My and click Family Management. Click Create Family. Fill in information according to your needs. Click City Location and click OK. Click Save and return to the home page after completion. Step 3. Add an administrator. First time use. Wake up the smart lock in the initial state. Press N to enter the initial password 123,456. Press to confirm and enter the system. Press 1 for the door lock function. Press 4 to add an administrator. Press 1 to add a fingerprint. Add a fingerprint according to the voice. Press 5 times in a row. You can add it successfully. Press to return to the system home page. Step 4. Add device. Press 2 for wireless settings. Press 1 to add network. Enter network configuration mode. If the network is suddenly disconnected during network configuration, you need to unplug and plug the power cord again. Note: do not bend the plug when inserting it. Click Add Device. Click Camera. Click Door Lock Wi-Fi. Enter Wi-Fi password and click Next. Click Confirm Keyboard Light flashes quickly. Click Wi-Fi Quick Connect. Wait for the device to connect. Click Finish. Press the doorbell. Press and hold the key icon and slide it to the right to unlock the door remotely. Click Door Opening Record. You can view the door opening information returned to the main page. Click Member Management. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner. Select the member type according to your needs. Enter the name and account according to your needs. Click Save. Find the unlocking method according to your needs. Turn to the main page. Step 5. Temporary password. Click Temporary password. Select the type according to your needs. Click Add. Enter the password and expiration time according to your needs. Click Save. Return to the main page. Step 6. Smart Linkage. Click Smart Linkage. Choose a family member to go home according to your needs. Return to the main page. Step 7. Restore factory settings. Click Edit in the upper right corner. Click Remove Device. Select Unbind and Clear Data and click OK to restore the initialization.